हाय गाइस, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं यूपीएस देहरादून के बारे में। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कॉलेज बेस एंड टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूपीएस, इट्स कैंपस experiences, its placements, fees, college life, etc. Let us come to the basic review about UPES. It was established in 2003 and it includes many of the courses. It includes specialization in BTech and all, and it also includes the NAC accreditation, which is A. And the campus life of this colleges includes two campus areas, which is Bidoli campus, which is main, and then the Kandoli campus, which is not that main. Let us discuss the courses and the fees structure of this college. The courses includes 150 plus courses, which includes medical, law, engineering, pharmacy, etc., includes architecture too. And mainly we'll discuss about the BTech course. Let us discuss about the fees structure of the courses, which is mainly we'll discuss about the BTech and BBA and MBA courses for the college. That BTech course fees includes 25 to 26 lakhs for 4 years approximately, and approximately 3 to 4 lakhs per year. Let us come to the BBA and MBA courses, which includes 7 to 15 lakhs for their total fees, and then we'll move to the other courses, which include decent fees according to the college. Now come to the hostel and mess fees around. It goes around 2 to 3 lakhs per year, and which includes the premium category of this college. So this college is one of the most premium category college based in Uttarakhand. So it will be the fees is justified as premium as it is. The top recruiters includes Microsoft, Flipkart, Amazon, and it includes 800 plus recruiters as well. Let us discuss about the campus life experiences for the students of this college. It includes a very peaceful and a scenic kind of environment there. The students is from, and the crowd is totally from the Pan India, which includes all over the Indian students, and it includes very modern and very specialized infrastructure as well. The students and the university is basically well known even in Uttarakhand and as well as in country overall. The premium campus life experiences are there, which are so much innovative, creative as well. As per the students and their reviews, it is quite premium and very good category light as well. Now we'll discuss the ROI of the students, if they're eligible or not. The ROI of the college is overall strong, moderate, and even sometimes it's risky. The ROI goes to the average one is 20 to 25 LPA, and the moderate one is approximately 5 to 8 LPA again. It is quite worth it, but again, it depends on the students how it works. Let's come to the pros and cons of the college. That pros includes that it is the totally premium category college. The second one is that good infrastructure, pan-Indian students, and the cons come to valid, which is that some of the placement categories are very risky there. ROI is quite risky for the students of some departments. That's all about the college, and if you want any more guidance about the college, please check out the description box and fill the form and visit our website too. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.